Hello, beautiful people. It is time for a fashion confession. Yes, it is time. Okay, so my husband and I were going through our end of the year expenses, and guess what? I spend over $1,300 a year on my nails. A lot of times I actually come out of the salon paying well over $100. Okay, so it came to my attention that maybe there's another solution to getting my nails done besides going to the nail salon every 3 weeks. Maybe sometimes I can do them myself. So I've been on a hunt to find a nail polish that will stay on for a while. I mean, the biggest problem with regular nail polish is it comes off the very next day. I'm sure you've all experienced this. It's a pain in the butt. No one has time to do their nails every single day. So I was looking on Amazon and I found some gel nail polish. Okay, you're gonna flip. This package, I'll get the exact pricing on it, but it's around $40, and it comes with a UV lamp because you need it to cure your nails for the gel polish. It comes with 24 nail polishes. Okay, I'm just going to show you some of them. Okay, here they have their color codes at the top. There's from green to purple to pink to red, all of the colors. It comes with a top coat, a shiny top coat, a matte top coat, a base coat, all of it. Okay, so here's the second one. There's like 24 in here. So UV lamp, the gel polish, it comes with, I don't know if you can see this very well. It comes with different, this is glitter, 3 packages of glitter. It comes with some nail accessories. These are like little stickies that you can peel off and put onto your nails. It also comes with these little nail beads. So if you like to do the design, I used the kit to make this design on my nails. It's not super fancy. It clearly looks better if a salon does it, but this isn't bad. Like, I will go out in public and look like this, no problem, all day, every day. So it also comes with nail clippers and some little nail tools so you can push up your cuticles and cut your cuticles. And I mean, it's a full-on kit for like $40. All right, it comes with some nail files. It comes with some little tips so you can do French tips. You can get your French manicure done. And it comes with these like little packets. They have wipes in them, and they are acetone wipes. So you can clean off all of the excess nail polish and clean up your nails. It also comes with cuticle oil. I'm telling you, there's so much in this package. I still can't even believe it, for like $40. And it comes with like the separators and stuff like that if you want to do your toes. So a nail brush. It comes with so much stuff. So I did do my own nails. I'll show you part of me doing my own nails. I'm not the best at doing my nails. I haven't really been doing them since I was really young. Like, I've been going to the salon for, I don't even know how many years and years, like a decade. If you just do a really clean job, this is absolutely an affordable option to do your nails. I will leave the link below if you want to get it. I highly recommend it, especially if you're looking to save some money. All right, I'm so excited to try out this product. So I am going to fix up my nails a little bit. I'm going to clip them, file them, buff them, using all of the things in the package that were sent. I don't think I've ever pushed up my cuticles before with a tool. I mean, I've done it with my own nails and stuff, but you really have to be careful that you don't hurt yourself. Like, I don't know, I was kind of going at it, but I'm gonna have to lay off myself a little bit. Okay, this next part, I have to admit, I'm a little scared to do it myself. The cuticle cutter, like at the salon, I'm always flinching every time they like go and cut my cuticles because I think that they're gonna cut me too deep and I'm gonna bleed, and then when they put alcohol on it, it's gonna sting. And so I am gonna take it easy with this cuticle cutter and just really see how this looks or how it works. I'm such a wuss. I am just gonna buff the tops real quick because, I don't know, that's what they do at the salon, right? Here's the matte top coat, base coat. So I'll need, for long-lasting nails, please read the manual before operation. Okay, I did read the manual. I did. Here is the manual. It just tells you to do an allergy test, prepare your nail, and then do a base coat in the color and apply a top coat. So that's what the manual says. So let's do the base coat. I am going to shake it. I'm gonna set it for 60 seconds and see if it'll cure it. Ooh, oh, this is like a hot pink. Hot pink, baby. I'm down for it. I'm down for hot pink. All right, my lovelies, it has been 10 days since I did the gel nails, and you can see the beads are still on, my little decal is still on, the color looks nice, none of them are peeling, and I am quite happy with how they have been holding up. So as my nails start to grow out, I can feel the edges of them. You know, I put on like a base coat, 2 colors, and a top coat, and maybe even another top coat because I have beads, so there's quite a lot of polish on there. So I can feel the edges where it's kind of thick and growing out. I am tempted to peel it a little bit, but I'm not going to. Also, on day 8, I think I was going to put like a coat over the beads so they would stay on longer, and I did not get a chance to do that. So these are still the exact same nails that I originally put on. So I'm happy with how they're lasting, and I will actually tell you how many days they last until they start getting stuck in my hair or peeling off by themselves. I am going to resist the urge to peel it off. So if you buy it and you try it, leave a comment below. I would love to know what your nails end up looking like and if you like it. All right. Mwah.